for today's video, I wanted to share with you how to declutter your phone. This video is going to be perfect for beginners because, just being honest with you guys, my phone is pretty bad. It definitely needs to be a little bit more organized, and I definitely think there's some things that I could get rid of. So I thought I would share this video with you guys. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we're gonna jump right into the video. Alright, I figured it would be easier for you guys to see if we were close up on my phone like this. So starting off with my phone case. This in particular is a phone case from Gear 4. They're one of my favorite brands for phone cases, simply because I know my phone is safe if I drop it, but it's also a slim, like really nice quality case, and this actually will protect your phone from a 10-foot drop. Another great feature is this actually works with wireless charging pads, which I do use to charge sometimes, so I would highly recommend picking up one of these cases. So I will have Gear 4 cases linked down below in case you guys are interested in this one or any of the cases that they have. Alright, now it's time to go ahead and unlock the phone and just show you guys how bad it is. So this already looks horrible and unorganized, but I do have a second page, a third page, and a fourth page. The last page I just went ahead and put anything that showed my location. You guys obviously know I use Instagram. Don't forget to follow me if you haven't already. And then Safari, my mail, and my phone are always at the bottom. Off first glance, I can see that there's a few things that outright can just be deleted and or moved. So the first two rows are pretty much things that I use, but I do have this little music category and I have Shazam, but you can actually ask Siri what song is playing now, so this outright can just be deleted. So now we have the Sheets app, and I'm not currently using this one either. Then I have the music app. I have my little social media. Obviously all of those I'm using. Waze, I'm not really using it that much right now, honestly, because we're not going many places. But I'm gonna keep it on my phone because I know eventually I will. Wally is what I use for like my taxes and to track how much money I'm spending, so that is really, really important. Okay, moving down, I have this photography folder, and I really don't use the Photo Bucket app anymore, or the layout for Instagram. I don't use that anymore. Snapseed, I use occasionally. Facetune is great for whitening like walls and stuff. If you use the teeth whitener, that's what I love using that for. Next, for my shopping folder, I pretty much only use Amazon and Prime now, occasionally Target. So as you can see, I went ahead and deleted a lot from there. These are primarily the shopping apps that I find myself using. I also feel like when I don't have apps for stores, I'm less likely to shop there, which is great because I am trying to save money right now. Alright, so I'm just gonna go through and continue. As you guys know, I have a lot of apps. I'm gonna continue to delete what I don't need, and the best tip that I could give you guys is if you think you don't need it, delete it. You can always re-download apps. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through and delete everything that I'm not currently using, and this is gonna give myself the opportunity to know, like, hey, do I need this long term? Do I even ever use it? So I'm gonna continue to do that first. Alright, so now that I deleted everything, I have narrowed it down to a page and one line, but after we do the next step, it will look even better. So I had already previously created a couple folders, as you can see here. I actually wanted to just rename them and change it at the top. I saw in Catherine's video, this is how she has everything, and I just love the way it looked. So you're just going to put everything in lowercase letters, then space it out, and I just think it looks so good. So that is how I have that, and then you're just gonna hit done at the top. So that is my social folder. So as you can see, my Snapchat could definitely be moved into the social category. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Oh, my Messenger can be in the social category, and I'm pretty sure I can actually put my Pinterest in the social as well. So as you can see, that already cleared up so much. I definitely think I need to create another folder just specifically for savings or work stuff. I do have the shopping one here. I'm gonna go ahead and rename it, and I'm just gonna, again, make it lowercase, and I'm just gonna make it say shop and space it out just because I think it looks so much better. So then you do that, you hit done again. So I'm trying to figure out where I should put a few of these different apps. I do think I need to create another folder. So how you do that is you just go edit home screen and then you merge two together, and then as you see here, it just named it utilities. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, and I'm going to name this one just work because these are some things that I use for work. Here we go, we have another work folder, and then I'm just gonna hit done. Obviously there's a shopping folder, and I think I can go ahead and add the Chipotle in there. And then for the work, I can go ahead and drag in Poshmark because I do have my little Poshmark store, and then my Mercari. Alright, so I do have this random folder, and I think that that is where I am going to place this car SWAT. That is just the GPS that's on my car, as well as my pharmacy. I consider it random because I don't use it that much. Alright, so this is my finished and decluttered phone. I'm super, super happy the way that it looks and just having everything all together on one page. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!